Hello, Chef here, and yet another recipe for you. I've got my blender here today, and I'm gonna be making a chocolate banana smoothie packed with protein. This is gonna be a super high protein smoothie. So, yeah, here we go. First ingredient, chocolate banana. So let's put banana in there. One whole fresh banana. Gotta love it. Okay. Chocolate. I'm using a few things. This is chocolate extract. Super good, super high quality, and super expensive. That's why I'm using about, I don't know, maybe 10 drops or so. Stuff costs a fortune. Of course, I've got some cocoa powder. This is pure cocoa powder, dark cocoa powder. This one here is from Switzerland. This stuff costs a fortune. You don't even want to know how much it costs, okay? Really, really expensive. And therefore, I'm only going to put about 2 teaspoons. Great flavor, of course. Gotta love it. Okay, I'm going to put approximately half a cup of milk, just like this. And I'm gonna put a little bit of chocolate soy milk. Just a little bit, just like this. Okay. And I'm gonna blend this baby up to start with. Oh yeah, already looking good. Next ingredient, I've got some isolated whey protein powder blend. Right there, 25 grams of protein. Oh, right there, 50 grams of protein, okay? You don't know it, but Chef does a lot of wellness, healthy, all kinds of other things as well besides what you see in the videos. So I'm also a weightlifter. I can lift approximately double my weight, bench press, and I do a lot of curling and monkey bars and pull-ups and cables and dumbbells and you name it. So I do a lot of bodybuilding stuff. Keeps me going, all right? Yeah, here we go. As you might know, diet is very, very important, and exercise is the other half of the secret to living a well-balanced, healthy lifestyle. All right, so that's looking good already. Another ingredient, some of you might like it, some of you might not. 2 eggs, 1 yolk, right in there. Oh yeah, I love it. Extra protein. When I'm all done, this shake's gonna have about 75 grams or more of protein. Okay, it's looking good. I believe it's ready. I always like to taste and adjust the seasoning. I've got this spoon here from the cocoa. Oh yeah, let's get a little taste. Ah, wow. Okay, it's getting warm out there, so we might as well add some ice cubes to this baby. Let's put in 2 ice cubes. And I do like the flavor. What's going on here? Really nice. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's looking good. All right. So now I've got this icy mug. Move this blender out of my way. Yeah. You know what's going to happen next, right? Tasting time. I suggest you eat healthy, get to the gym, work out. If you want to work out outside, that's just as good. Mix it up, do both. Biking, running, swimming, weightlifting, bodybuilding, you name it. You're going to live longer. Some words of wisdom from the chef, and with that, it's time for a tasting. I've got to let you know. Banana chocolate smoothie looking really good. Approximately 75 grams of pure protein here. Wow, that's really good. The secret is the ingredients, obviously the recipe. I've made this maybe a few hundred times. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, click that little like button right down there. Subscribe's like right over here. Give it a big thumbs up, tell your friends, and learn from the chefs. I'm one of them. There's a few other ones too. We're sharing things with you throughout the days, the weeks, the seasons. We cook seasonally, we cook healthy, we cook organic, some vegan, some non-vegan, all kinds of stuff going on this channel. It's really, really good stuff. I guarantee you cannot go in any restaurant, cafe, bar and get a chocolate banana smoothie this good and this packed with protein. You got to make it yourself. Get cooking, pump up, live, love, enjoy life. Wow. Have a beautiful day.